Hey guys, so obviously your host here is gonna be JB Gaming here, and today I heard from my friend's YouTube channel that there's this game called Pass the Bomb, blah blah blah, I don't know, and it makes you rage. So I'm actually gonna join my friend right now. He's online, so I'm joining him right now. I'm on a call with him right now. You guys can't hear him, but I can hear him. Yeah, they can't hear you. I don't know. I'm joining it right now. As you can see, I fixed my webcam a bit. Now it's less blurry, but it's still glitchy. Okay, it says I'm on Rocket Arena. I don't know what that is. And guys, after this video, I'll be uploading a video on Feeder Facility. So, you better watch it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Turn on all notifications. And yeah, let's get into the video. I don't know. Anyway guys, so I have to wait. And then I can start playing. Oh, that guy has the bomb. Oh, he just exploded. I'm starting to understand the game. I don't know, this game doesn't make me rage. How come I can't join back again? Oh, I have to run out of these players. So now there's 7 players left. I can't even explore the map. I want to spectate. Oh, I can't spectate. I can actually spectate. Oh, who just exploded? Moses, I'm spectating you. I'm right behind you. Well, can you see me? You guys probably think I'm talking to no one. Oh, 5 players left. Moses, there's a meteor. You have to be careful. Oh, how did it not kill him? Come on. And guys, you can subscribe to his channel. His name's Trickster. Yeah. And I'll put it down in the description. I forgot to do the last video, but this time I'll remember, don't worry. Okay, another meteor. Oh my goodness, they killed you. And they killed that person as well. There's only 2 more. Oh, deathmatch. There's only 2 players left. He just jumped off. What the flip? Oh my gosh. Anyway, this is my time to play. We're doing Rocket Arena again. Okay. I'm just spectating the map right now. Man. Anyway, the game just started. Who has the bomb? I don't know who has the bomb. Everyone's scaring me. Everyone is scaring me. No, he has the bomb. Run. No, I have the bomb. a game that I don't like, I'm rubbish at it. Oh, the bomb! It's all that black thing. Yeah, I'm spectating on you. I think, yeah, you're over there. I'm right in front of you, but you can't see me. No! Now, I'm here with you again. Oh, that explosion was close. Meteor! Moses, you have the bomb! Ah! Run, quick! Ah! You're so lucky! You have the bomb again! This game literally wants to kill me. Luckily, you're good at this game. No! What happened? What happened? What happened? It's a death match. Come on. It's 3 people. Last. Come on, please. Yes, run. Yes. No. Yes. Oh, that was lucky. You should watch Trickster's video. He posted a video on this game as well. Okay. Oh, how did you trick? No, you're dead. How? Whoa! I feel so. Wait, what? That's. Oh my goodness. Oh, Rocky Arena again. Okay, guys. 2 more rounds, then I'm gonna end the video. Or maybe, yeah, after this round, I'm gonna end the video. Then I'm gonna start. Yeah. Starting game. No, I didn't spawn with you. I need to run. Here's the bomb. No, I have the bomb. Since when? Yes, I gave it to that bacon guy. Run! No! Yes! How? Boom! Yes! I did it just in time! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Here's the bomb! Oh, here's the bomb! Run! Okay, he died. Your player avatar, he has earrings. No! No! Hold on. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. Since I died, make sure you like and subscribe. See you in the next one.